Ladies and gentlemen, all the way in San Diego, give it up for the Hinges! That's all we got.
For the show, we are the Hinges, and you guys are the audience. Okay, we're going to see a very short scene about a filmmaker and a movie star.
Harold, I cannot do this script, okay? I am not able to jump from 2 feet from that point to that point, alright? It's pointless! It's not in my contract, okay?
Are you done? Are you? I've heard you whine for 2 hours now. McGruff the crime dog is not just an ordinary dog. He's going to change the world of children's action film entertainment. Don't you get that? Don't you get what we're trying to bring to this Shakespearean tragedy and quality to this McGruff the crime dog? And you give me this? You say you can't jump 20 feet? Well, I say fuck you. Fuck you. Think about McGruff. Think about your backstory. Would McGruff cry? No.
Okay, so now you're going to see the same scene again, except this time Tim is
Drunk.
and Antonio is
Hi. I was reading the script, and it says I had to jump, like, from here to here. Dressed as a dog.
Listen, if both of you would shut up, I would tell you something, okay? You're a wonderful human being, but this is a really important thing, is just a sec.
this time we're going to see the same scene. Tim, you are.
I'm a filmmaker, I'm drunk, and my hands keep moving uncontrollably.
Antonio?
I'm a movie star, high, and on fire.
McGruff!
Drunk, Swedish, and my arms keep flailing about.
Antonio?
Movie star, high, on fire, and Arabic.
You got the set in the off!
I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
Let's get down me something.
I'm getting in character! I'm getting in character!
It is my dog. And I need you to vote. Oh!
Oh, that's helping! You're
I'm not making that.
Yes!
Do the movie.
Yes! I shall jump! I shall be for the kids, the puppy dog!